Hi everyone, Niklas Seidloff here from IBM and OpenNTF. Today I'm going to demonstrate another prototype for how the discussion template could be extended. One of the things I'd like to highlight in the next generation of the discussion template are the nice integration capabilities between different Notes applications and other types of applications. So I've prototyped one typical scenario showing how a typical Notes mail user could leverage discussion applications. In my sample, I've received a mail from an OpenNTF user asking me for how to contribute code to the discussion next generation project. I've sent a reply stating that he needs to be an approved OpenNTF contributor first with a link for more information. But after writing this, I realized that this is information that all project owners need to know. Rather than flooding all project owners' inboxes, I want to share this information via posting it in the discussion application for OpenNTF project owners. Until now, Notes users had to do a couple of manual steps. First, they had to locate the target database, either on their workspace or in the Open menu. They had to open it, and they had to create a new topic. They had to enter the subject, and then they had to copy and paste the mail into the new topic. With the extension that I've prototyped, this is now much easier. In the toolbar, I've added two new icons that you can see here. This one and this one. I can post now the mail in the discussion application with only one click. So when I click this one, publish selected document to discussion application, click, and it's copied over, and the new topic is opened in the user interface. So now I can edit it if I want, change the subject, or do any other modifications that I like. Save and close. So that's as easy, and let me just show you that it's actually here. So this is the discussion database that I've used, and it's in here now as well. The same mechanism, by the way, works not only when you have a mail opened, but it also works when you are in a Notes view, and you can again publish the selected document, and now we have the same document twice in here, as you can see. Another thing I had to implement is a way for users to define the target discussion application. I just clicked only once on this icon, but there's many people who have more than one discussion database. So I had to implement this drop down, and as you can see, users can now select one of their discussion applications. Now, in order to define these discussion applications, I added user preferences to Notes, and you can open them again as always via File menu and then Preferences. Or I added the second icon that opens not only the preferences but jumps directly to the preferences of the discussion template. And here you can see the same two application databases that you saw in the drop-down menu. And I can define further discussion applications by clicking this Add button, and that brings up this standard Notes application picker dialog. And this is now possible with the new 8.5 APIs, 8.5.1 Java UI APIs. And the first one in this list, by the way, is the default application database, which is the one that this icon uses when you only click on the icon directly without using the drop-down. Also, in terms of implementation, I've implemented this feature via Eclipse plugins. The main reason was that with Eclipse plugins, I can do global extensions to my Notes client. In other words, this extension is not only accessible within one discussion application, but always visible in Notes. So I can now publish any Notes document, not only mails, from any Notes application to my discussion apps. Plus, this extension is not really a feature of one discussion application, but an extension to all discussion applications. In fact, the current implementation also works against older discussion template versions. So I see this prototype as an add-on to discussion applications rather than a feature of the new discussion template directly. It's an optional add-on that people will be able to install via drag and drop from a catalog, or administrators can push it to clients via the widget catalog. As always, please let me know what you think. Thanks.